Very good morning, dear students. Today, my topic is fertilizers. What are fertilizers? Fertilizers are the chemical substances which are extremely rich in mineral nutrients but they contain little or no organic matter. Fertilizers are manufactured commercially by combining various chemical compounds. Since fertilizers contain a very high amount of chemical nutrients, they are used in small quantity. Fertilizers are used in small quantity. Fertilizers mainly enrich the soil with nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. On the basis of availability of nutrients from them, fertilizers are divided into the following groups. Types of fertilizers. Number 1, nitrogenous fertilizers. Number 2, phosphatic fertilizers. Number 3, potassic fertilizers. And last, number 4, complex fertilizers. Number 1, nitrogenous fertilizers. These fertilizers contain a large amount of nitrogen, and two, these are used in those fields which are deficient in nitrogen content. For example, urea, ammonium sulfate, calcium nitrate. These are the nitrogenous fertilizers. Next, number 2, phosphatic fertilizers. Phosphatic fertilizers are these fertilizers contain a rich amount of phosphorus. For example, single super phosphate, triple super phosphate and di-calcium phosphate. These are the example of phosphatic fertilizers. And third point, type potassic fertilizers. What are potassic fertilizers? These fertilizers supply potassium. Potassic fertilizers. These fertilizers supply potassium, which is one of the essential nutrients to the plants. पोटेशियम जो है essential nutrients to the plants. For example, muriate of potash and potassium sulfate. Muriate of potash and potassium sulfate are the potassic fertilizers. Next, last fourth point, complex fertilizers. When a fertilizer contains at least two or more nutrients, nitrogen and 2, P2O5 and K2O, these are the nutrients. It is called complex fertilizers. Examples: nitrophosphate, ammonium phosphate and urea ammonium phosphate. These are the example of complex fertilizers. You study about 4 type of fertilizers: nitrogen fertilizers, nitrogenous fertilizers, phosphatic fertilizers and potassic fertilizers, and last, complex fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers enrich the soil with nutrients which tremendously increase the crop yield. Chemical fertilizers increase the yield of crop tremendously. The Green Revolution in 1970s was the result of use of excess chemical fertilizers. Thank you.